Have you ever felt like your career as an ETL developer is slowing down? Like the world around you is changing fast and everyone is talking about cloud, Snowflake, Databricks, ADF, DBT, and modern data engineering, and somewhere inside you, a thought comes up. Where do I fit in now? If you've ever asked yourself that question, then this message is for you. For many years, tools like Informatica PowerCenter, IBM DataStage, Initio, and other traditional ETL tools dominated the data world. We designed mappings, workflows, transformations, and our systems ran business-critical workloads. But technology doesn't wait. The world moved toward the cloud. Data volumes exploded. Businesses started demanding real-time insights, scalable pipelines, and lower operational cost. And suddenly, on-prem ETL systems began to feel outdated, not because they are bad, but because the world evolved. Here's the truth. ETL isn't dead, but the way we work with data has changed. Instead of ETL, the industry is moving toward ELT, cloud data warehouses, lakehouses, and orchestration tools. And this shift opened up three major paths for ETL developers like us. The best part? Our existing skills transfer beautifully, because no matter how the tools change, logic doesn't. Data still needs to be modeled, cleaned, transformed, scheduled, loaded, and maintained. So let's break down the three possible career paths you can choose from. Path 1, Snowflake, plus Azure Data Factory, plus DBT. This is the smoothest transition for ETL developers. Here, instead of transforming the data before loading it, you load it into Snowflake first and then transform using SQL. Snowflake acts as the cloud data warehouse. ADF orchestrates the pipelines. And DBT handles structured transformations with documentation and testing. If you enjoy SQL, data modeling, and pipeline design, this is your perfect path. With 2 to 4 months of focused learning, you can become a Snowflake data engineer and earn anywhere from 18 to 25 LPA, depending on your current experience. Path 2, Databricks, plus Spark, plus Delta Lake, big data and lakehouse engineering. This path is for those who enjoy solving big problems at scale, working with distributed computing and even future AI workloads. Databricks combines data lake and data warehouse features, making it perfect for advanced analytics, streaming, and machine learning. This path requires learning PySpark, Spark SQL, and Delta Lake architecture. It takes longer, around 5-9 months, but salary potential is the highest, often reaching 30 to 45 LPA as you grow. Path 3, Cloud-Native ETL Developer, ADF, AWS Glue, or GCP Data Fusion. If you want to stay close to your ETL roots but modernize your tech stack, this path is ideal. Instead of PowerCenter or DataStage, you'll design and run pipelines using cloud-native tools. Opportunities here are strong and growth is steady, with salaries in the 15 to 22 LPA range depending on cloud platform. So how do you decide which path to choose? If you love SQL and structured transformations, choose Snowflake plus DBT plus ADF. If you enjoy coding and large-scale data engineering, choose Databricks and Spark. And if you want a smooth ETL to cloud transition, choose cloud-native ETL like ADF or Glue. And here's the smartest part. You don't have to pick only one forever. You can start with Snowflake and ADF, get a higher-paying job, and later move into Databricks if you want advanced engineering work. So if you're an ETL developer wondering about your future, remember this. Your skills are not outdated. Your experience is not irrelevant. Your foundation is strong. You just need to connect it to the modern tools. Start learning, build projects, document your journey, teach others, and watch how your career transforms. Your next chapter doesn't start someday, it starts now.